I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken roll, easy method. Start by pounding chicken to an even thickness and seasoning both sides thoroughly before adding filling. Layer cheese, herbs, and vegetables, then roll tightly and secure with toothpicks. Sear quickly in a hot pan for color, then finish baking until juices run clear and internal temperature reaches a safe level. Rest briefly before slicing and serving warm. Choose fillings that complement chicken without overwhelming it. Think cheese, herbs, or vegetables. Spread ingredients evenly, leaving a small border to help seal the roll. Use modest amounts so the roll holds shape and cooks evenly. Avoid overstuffing, which can cause leaking. For added moisture, brush a light glaze or sauce over the exterior before baking. Let the cooked roll rest 5 minutes to retain juices and make slicing tidy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, hands-free timers, and voice help to your cooking routine, making multitasking effortless and fun. It slips into any countertop or shelf and keeps your kitchen on beat while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Searing chicken rolls seals in flavor and creates an appealing crust, so start on high heat briefly. Transfer to the oven to finish cooking through at a steady temperature, using a thermometer for accuracy. Avoid cutting immediately. A short rest keeps juices locked in and makes slicing neater. If desired, finish with a quick sauce or pan just to enhance flavor and presentation just before serving to guests or family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.